Slow down. Up. Get a chair. You gotta back up. There you go. Back up. Back up. You gotta back up. Come here. Let's back up. Okay. Oh, you're gonna hit the chair again. Come here. Come this way. Come this way. This way. Well, hang on. Mommy's gonna help you.
Go get her.
Let's go the other way.
Go get mommy. Go get mommy.
Slow down, Speedy.
Keep going. Keep going.
Turn.
You see me there? Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
Slow down, you're gonna hit the chair. Look up, where you going?
Beep, beep. Alright, go. Go. Oh!
Crash.
Crash and burn, ain't now. Can you back up? Go. Beep, beep, beep.
Now move your feet. What's the table? Move, Mia.
Just China, no big deal. Go ahead and run it over. Go get the grandfather clock.
Mia following you.
That stuff just doesn't move for you, does it? It doesn't move for you, does it? Go get mommy. Go get mommy. Now what you gonna do? You back it up? Then back up to get, does it? Okay. Alright, now what are you gonna do? That steering just don't work too good, does it? Alright, backing up? Okay, now go. And there's mommy's toes.
Oh, fell down. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
I think I can fix it real quick. Alright. You ready to go again? You ready to go again?
All better. All better.
You big faker. Alright, let's get her out of this stuff here.
Come here. Blakely, come this way.
Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Come on.
You hung up there?
No, heck.
No, where you go? Where you going?
Personally, I think walking your pants kind of creepy.
Just run her over. She doesn't move, just run her over. No, let's not go that way with the, or close that drawer, that door.
Yeah.
With all the chemicals.
Push!
No water bowl.
Push! Alright, let's get Mia.
Oh, sorry,
Mom
me.
got Mia. Mommy just ruined our fun, didn't she? Go, 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 go.
Slow down.